Right. So let's take the brief overview. We completed a brief overview about our chapter light. Now let's take the introduction of our chapter light. Introduction of chapter light. So as you know about the light, so here I didn't explain much about the light. We are able to see the objects. We are able to see the objects because of the light, and sometimes maybe you can use with our eyes also we are able to see light, able to see the things. So how the things are visible, how the things are visible, how the things are visible because of light. Light enables us to see objects, from which light comes, or from which get reflect. We are able to see many objects because of light incident on the surface of the object or a material, and from that material light is reflected and we are able to see things. So we know already light is a form. Light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy which helps in vision. That means to able to see the things. Light is needed to see the things around us. Right? Light is a form of energy which can cause the sensation of vision. So as we know, from the source of light, if it is an object, consider any kind of object, right? So if we are able to see with our eyes, from the light rays are incident on the object. From that object, the light rays are reflected, and we are able to see the things. Right? So some terms regarding to light is luminous objects, and non-luminous objects. Luminous objects means those are able to the materials. Those materials able to produce those materials which are able to produce light themselves are called luminous objects. So those objects which are produce light or emit light themselves are called luminous objects. The sun, the star, the electric bulb, the candle, right, are the example for luminous objects. So those are not emit light by themselves. They are not emit the light by themselves. They are their own light, not their own light. So those objects which produce their own light and emit their own light, we can call them luminous objects. Sun, stars, electric bulb, candle are the example. those materials which do not emit their own light, such objects are called non-luminous objects. Such objects are called non-luminous objects. They are moon, planets, then any type of object like table, chair, etc. are the example for non-luminous objects. They are not emit their own light, just they send back the light which is incident on them or falls on them. So those materials are, those substances, those materials, those objects are called non-luminous objects. Similarly, we know some other are transparent materials, transparent objects, then opaque objects, then translucent objects, translucent objects. These are all you learned in previous classes, right? Just I'm recapitulating. Transparent, which allow, those materials and the substances which allow the light to pass through them are called transparent materials. Transparent materials, glass. Through glass, the light is transmit. Opaque, those didn't allow, those materials did not allow the light to pass through them is called opaque objects, like a table, duster, right? Stone are the example for opaque objects. Translucent, those allow the light partially are called translucent. Means oily paper. So these are some terms which are already about those terms. So that's why here I didn't explain much about this. So this is the light. Light is a form of energy which can cause the sensation of vision. We are able to see the things from our surroundings because of the light. So from the source of light, the light rays are incident or falls on any kind of objects. The light rays are reflected and reach our eye. Then we are able to see the things which are in our surroundings. So that's all about light.